Let's never forget what happened to his father and how they have to try Abdurehim to manipulate him to not be a witness in the courts against China criminal behavior. He was in exile in 2017, 7 years ago. Chinese police threatened my brother, forcing him to call me. We even have Chinese police stations in the Netherlands. This is horrible, undemocratic, unsafe for Chinese refugees. But still, he goes strong in faith from God to go to the July 8 to 12 World Citizens Tribunal in The Hague. We hope they will stop Xi Jinping and arrest him, that he will be prosecuted, and all other tyrants, dictators from the CCP party. And they say, they threat him. And they have many sinister plots and have infiltrated every Uyghur family. This is deeply shocking. The police took his father out of the detention camp where he had been suffering from serious illness. They had my brother record a video urging me to stop my activism against the Chinese government, using it to emotionally manipulate Abdurehim. Despite seeing the video, he remained firm and refused to bow to their psychological torture. He even used that painful video as further evidence of China's atrocities at the World Citizens Tribunal. The judges, investigators, and even the lawyer appointed to represent the Chinese government were visibly shaken by the overwhelming evidence, and they expressed sympathy for Abdurehim. When the Chinese government failed to break his spirit, they once again sent his father and brother back to the detention camps. 2 months later, on 17 September, he received the devastating news from a friend that his father had died in the detention camp. Our condolences. Hearing this broke his heart, but instead of weakening him, it fueled his anger and determination against the oppressive Chinese government. It strengthened him to resolve and continue his fight for freedom and justice for all oppressed people in Chinese occupation. His hopes for a brighter future were reignited, and his steps toward the hope for victory have become even more steadfast and unwavering. Respect for your determination to fight CCP, no matter the price, no matter the cost. Big respect for you, and we will never forget your father.